IT has been absolutely integral to my running. It's only thanks to the smartphone and the apps on the smartphone that I even dared to step out the door for the first time. So without the technology, I think I'd still be sat on that sofa doing nothing. The work I did with IBM really transformed what I was able to do. Thanks to Runkeeper I was able to train solo, but a dream had always been to compete solo. And it's thanks to the specific technology we made with IBM that allowed him to become the first blind person ever to compete solo in a desert marathon. Running solo has been, absolutely freeing, and it was while I was competing solo out in Namibia, I got a real sense of just absolute freedom that when you've lost your sight, there's so many things where you have to rely on assistance from other people. So this app had really allowed me to do something independently and alone, and it just felt incredible. I'm going to continue to compete solo. The next step is improving the technology. I'm continuing to work with IBM, and we're now creating a system that can do object detection. So it's going to use vibration across my chest to vibrate where the other runners are. So next year in 2017, I'm going to become the first blind person to compete solo in a city marathon.